Darren, thanks for your time on your stand here at EMO 2021 Milan. Fantastic products, but tell me a little bit about you and what you actually do within the company.
Yeah, so my name's Darren Whittall. I'm Head of European Technical Support for our Robo Machine products in Europe. So Robo Machines, we have Robo Drill, which is our vertical machining centre. We have Robo Shot, which is our all-electric injection moulding machine. Robo Cut, which is our wire EDM machine, and also Robo Nano, which is our ultra precision machine tool.
Now we're seeing on your stand obviously your traditional robots, but also some of your other products. But one thing I've noticed on the stand is the banner One FANUC. Explain to me what that actually really means in the real world.
Yeah, good question. So One FANUC. So back about 2013 in Europe, FANUC was individual companies. So we had FANUC Robo Machine division, we had FANUC FA, which is our CNC controls, and also we had FANUC Robotics. And historically I used to be part of the robotics team. 2013, all these products merged into one group, one company, and that's when we became FANUC within Europe. We weren't FANUC Robotics or FANUC Robo Machines, it was One FANUC. And that now enables us to use the power of our products to not just provide the customer with the products, but also provide them with a solution, which is what they need.
And really, aren't we seeing a lot of these integrated solutions that you've got on your stand here, you know, based on that element of being altogether One FANUC?
Yeah, I mean, you can see around most of our Robo Machine products are automated, with the exception of two, with FANUC robots. So like here, for example, we have a Robo Drill, a new DIB5 Plus machine, automated with actually world first showing of the LR10 robot. Fully integrated solution, so from a customer's perspective, it's plug and play. You just configure the interface on the machine and you can control, operate the robot entirely from the CNC screen.
And from a customer's perspective, what is the main benefit of One FANUC to them?
I think from my perspective, there's many advantages. It's a one-stop shop. The customer can come to FANUC and they can buy a solution. They only have one company to rely on in terms of service. And when they're buying FANUC, they're buying reliability and ease of use and efficiency.